I just signed this form right here.
Okay.
Now that you sign, 100 push-ups. Come on, fat ass. Come on. How do you think I've got to where I am? I'm perfect. Six-pack and crap.
Can I do girl push-ups?
Come on, we don't have time for this. Bah.
Can I have a chip?
No, fat ass. I look good. All right, get up. Get up.
Can I do 10 jumping jacks because I'm so fat?
Camera that way for a second. Come here. This is a private show. Come here. Come on. Oh, all right. We're back. See, being at my fat camp has changed this man for life. He looks awesome. All right, come on. You need some now. Yeah. Just kidding. I'm chunky and I know it. No offense, but where are your boobs? Oh, I lost them like a year ago, honey. All right, cut. Hey, wait.